Hi, thanks for showing interest in our app. Now let's get you started quickly. It will not take more than 2 minutes. So once you are there in the installation page, click install app. It'll then route you to our website. So we will get few information about your shop, verify your credentials, and then quickly get you started, right? So once that is done, it will take you through our landing page. So the landing page for the first time will ask you to choose the plan. We have four plans, right? So the free plan will get you started instantly. Other three plans, we will work with you to get a unique API number for you, right? So on the free plan, the messages will be sent from our number, and rest of the plans it will be sent from your number attached to your brand, right? So you can get to choose any of the plans you want. The feature list and all those things are here. So let me just choose this plan for now, right? So once it is chosen, again it will lock the plan and directly take you to the configuration page, right? So this is where you get to see how many messages were sent every month, what are the analytics, right? So what is your current plan and what are the campaigns that are currently running, right? So it's a very simple four-step process. You can just click the campaign you want to turn on. For example, abandoned cart will automatically send recovery messages to your customers after certain amount of time, right? So if you want to do enable that, you can enable, click enable. You will have a lot of predefined templates to choose from like this. You can just choose the template which you think are relevant for your company. Just select this template. That's it. The template is set. The campaign is on, right? Like that, you can do it for other campaigns and start tracking the progress, the overall progress here, and also you can look at the analytics in terms of how many campaigns were sent and things like that. Thank you. Have a nice day.